Okay, so we are discussing a small topic under number systems. Okay, hope you are good in number systems, right? Yes. So what this line might be? Uh, yes, a number line, right? We are discussing number system. We have a line here, so it might be a number line, right? I have some points marked here. I marked them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it goes on. Okay, and what this number system is called as? Of course, they are positive numbers, but positive numbers have, if you generally tell them as positive numbers definitely has more members than these. Okay, I just want to know the name of the number system which starts with 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, and it goes on. Natural numbers, right? Yes, we call them as natural numbers, or we also call them as counting numbers. Counting numbers, right? See, if I ask you to count something, for example, if you have 5 or 6 members in a room, and if I'm asking you to count the number of people in the room, you'll count it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Yes, you won't start counting from -1, or you won't start counting from 0, right? We usually start counting from 1. That's why they are called as counting numbers. Yes, the name makes sense, right? Yes, and which is the largest natural number? Yes, it is infinite, right? It goes on. It can be as large as they can, right? They can be as large as they can. We cannot say which is the highest one. It goes on. And what is the distance between, how many units is the distance between any two consecutive natural numbers? How many units? Okay. No, it's not 10. I am at 1 now. Okay, this is the number line. I am at 1 now. To be at 2, how many units I need to jump? How many times I need to jump? One time, right? That means, yes, yes, yes. No. So, how many units? Two natural numbers are separated by how many units? 1 unit, because 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, right? Yes. Now, with that 1 unit distance, to the left of 1, I have one more number. What is that number might be? To the left of 1, 0. Of course, it's 0, right? So, why do we need 0? What is the importance of 0? What it represents? It is, of course, the whole number. This is called as whole number system, right? Yes, perfect. So why do we need this whole number system? See, that natural numbers are enough for counting, right? We can count anything with natural numbers. So why do we need the 0? What it represents? Okay, let's take this example. Okay, you have 3 chocolates in your hand. Okay, you have 3 chocolates. You are distributing these chocolates among your friends. You have 3 friends around you. Okay, you are giving the first chocolate to the first one, second one to the second person, third one to the third person. What is left in your hand? Nothing. That nothingness is represented by 0, right? That nothingness is represented by 0. See, these are the things which are already known to you. When it is put as a question, you are finding it difficult to answer. That's it, right? Yes. Now, I have some more numbers to the left of 0, which are 1 unit apart. Yes. Yes, negative numbers, right? -1, -2, -3. And what all these numbers together are called as? Integers, right? They are called as integers. And which is the smallest integer? Yes, yes. We cannot say, right? We cannot say which is the smallest one because it goes on to the left, right? Yes. Now, largest integer. Are you sure? Yeah. Largest negative. largest negative integer is negative 1. Correct. Largest negative integer, right? Yes, largest negative integer is negative 1. Correct. Now, is the number system complete with integers? Do we have anything more? So you think that we have covered all the numbers, all the types of numbers which are on the number line. Is it like that? Sure. Okay. Let's take this example. Your mom is making a dosha for you. Okay. Okay. Now, uh, do you have any siblings? Younger brother. Okay. You're very hungry. Okay. You're very hungry, and your mom is making a dosha for you, and there's no more batter left to make another dosha. Okay. Okay, this is the last piece of dosha, last dosha. Okay, and when you're about to eat it, your younger brother comes. He says that he also needs a dosha. He's also very hungry. So what your mom will do? Divide it and share, right? Yes, or she will do it herself. She will divide the dosha. One, two, three. Okay, you are very hungry. You are coming after a class or after an exercise or practice. Okay, whatever it is. So, two pieces are given to you out of these three pieces, and only one piece is given to your brother because he was just relaxing at home. Okay, so one piece is given to your brother, two pieces are given to you. So, what is this 2 by 3 and 1 by 3? Are they integers? Yes, they are rational numbers. They are not integers, right? They are just fractions, right? Yes. And what these fractions indicate? Two pieces out of three, or one piece out of three pieces. So it represents a portion out of the whole, right? A portion out of the whole. That is what is the meaning of fractions. Yes. Now, if I include fractions also with the system of integers, those numbers are called as, you already told the answer, rational numbers, right? Yes, I have rational numbers as well. So the number system is definitely not complete with integers. It has something more, which are called as rational numbers. Yes, and what's the definition? A number is called a rational number if it can be written in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. Right? So anything which can be written as something divided by something, that can be called as a rational number, provided this something which is in the denominator is not equal to 0. Yes, why? What happens if it is 0? Yes, it's not defined at all, right? Why it is not defined? We have defined almost everything in maths. Why it is not defined? Yes, we won't get an answer. It is meaningless to divide by 0, right? See, if you have the same example, if you have 3 chocolates in your hand and there's no one around you to divide it among, then what's the meaning of division? There's no need for division at all. Yes, there's no need to divide it at all. Yes, so division by 0 is meaningless. It is not defined. Yes. Yes. Now, let me ask you a question. Is the number 5, is it a rational number? It is just an integer. Okay. Can I write 5 as 5 by 1? Is 5 equal to 5 by 1 or not? It is equal to 5 by 1. Is 5 by 1 in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0 or not? Where q not equal to 0? So it is in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0, right? That means, does it satisfy the condition to be a rational number or not? Yes, it satisfies the condition for a rational number. So is 5 a rational number or not? It is a rational number, right? Now take some other integers. Let's say 2. Is it a rational number? It is a rational number. Yes. So any, okay, let's take another integer. Let's take some negative integer now. Okay, negative 7. Okay, negative 7 is the number. So is that a rational number? Is negative 7 a rational number? Why? Yes, yes, it can be negative 7 by 1, right? So any integer, if I generalize is as some x, okay, any integer x can be written as x by 1, which is in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0, right? So all the integers are rational numbers. Do you agree? Yes, all the integers are rational numbers. Okay. Yes. Now I have a pictorial representation of whatever we have discussed. Okay, so we had first the system of natural numbers, which you can see in the yellow oval shape, right? Yes, then we added 0 also to the natural number system and we called it as whole numbers. Yes, so can I call all natural numbers as whole numbers? Okay. Okay, if you have this picture in your mind, it will not confuse you anymore. Okay, see, we have the whole number system here, right? Yes, which is represented by that blue shape, right? Yes, and natural numbers are inside it, right? Yes, natural numbers are inside it. See, when we already had natural numbers, we just added 0 also to it and we got whole numbers, right? So whole numbers includes this natural numbers also, right? Whole numbers has natural numbers inside it, right? So all natural numbers are whole numbers. Why they are inside whole numbers only? All of them are whole numbers only. Yes. Now now when we added negative numbers also to it, negative integers also to it, we call everything together as integers. Yes, we called everything together as integers. So integers include all the whole numbers also. Yes, integers include all the whole numbers also. So are all the whole numbers integers? Yes. Are all whole numbers integers? Yes, of course they are. Now when we also added fractions to it, we together call them as rational numbers. Yes, so are all integers rational numbers? Yes. See, in the pictorial representation also the integer system comes inside rational numbers, right? This rational number includes everything, integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, everything. Yes, so are all natural numbers rational numbers? Yes. Are all whole numbers rational numbers? Are all integers rational numbers? Yes. Now, are all rational numbers integers? Why? Yes, that is correct. Can you tell me an example which is a rational number but not an integer? Yes, of course. Yes, all the fractions, right? Perfect. Your answer is perfect. Right? All the fractions are rational numbers but not integers. Yes. Integers are of course rational numbers. Not can be. Integers are rational numbers. Yes. Now Are all integers whole numbers? No. Can you tell me an example of integer which is not a whole number? Yes, negative integers, right? Negative integers, correct. Now, are all whole numbers natural numbers? Example, please. Yes, 0 is a whole number but not a natural number, right? Yes. So, have I made things clear to you? Yeah. So please have this picture in your mind. Yes. So whenever you are whenever you are asked a question related to this, definitely there will be questions related to this because this number system is very important. Yes. So whenever a question is asked from this concept, just have this in your mind. Just have this picture in your mind, right? And you can just remember it as some NWIR or something from inside to outer. NWIR, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Yes. Okay, now is the number system complete with rational numbers? No, they are not. They are not complete actually. We have something more on the number line which we call as irrational numbers. Okay, irrational numbers. Okay, yes, you haven't studied that yet. Okay, again, it's an advanced topic which you will learn in your class 9. Okay, irrational numbers will be covered in your class 9 only, so you don't have to worry about it now. But I just wanted to give you a glimpse of the number systems. You just understand that we have something more other than rational numbers on the number line. Okay, so as of now, you are learning only till rational numbers. Okay, and we call this as real numbers. You know, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, this is, see, if you learn it, it's a very interesting topic. Okay, the opposite of rational numbers is irrational numbers. Okay, yes, so irrational number is something which cannot be written in the form of p by q or q not equal to 0. Something which cannot be written. Okay, rational is something which can be written as p by q. Irrational is something which cannot be written in the form of p by q. It's just the opposite. Okay, so we call these two together as real number system. Okay, so if we are calling this specifically as real number system, something should be there which is not real. That's why we are specifically calling it as real, right? So is there something which is not real? Yes, we have some numbers which are not real, which are called as complex numbers. Okay, this is a very advanced topic. Okay, don't worry about it. Just it is interesting, so when I just talked to you, I just wanted to give you more and more ideas. That's it. Okay, yes. So as of now, you are learning only till rational numbers. Irrational numbers will be covered in your class 9. Okay, that means all the real numbers will be covered in your class 9, and complex numbers is very advanced. You'll learn it in your class 11 only, class 11 or class 12. Okay, yes. So is the number system clear now? Yes, very good, very good. Okay, I'll share this material with you. Okay.